Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus is about to launch the OnePlus 9 series, and if you don't want to spend a lot on your smartphone but still want a decent phone, then the OnePlus Nord is something that you should consider. Now, the original Nord was launched on the 21st of July last year, and we are expecting the Nord 2 to debut around the same time as well in the second quarter of the year, although some reports are pointing towards a launch as early as April. But I don't think OnePlus would want to steal the limelight from the OnePlus 9 series by offering a cheaper alternative within a month of the launch. The latest report from Android Central confirms the name to be the OnePlus Nord 2. Also, the device is supposed to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 5G chip. Now, this is a big change for OnePlus, which has always used Qualcomm chips on their devices. In fact, the OnePlus Nord was the first time the company used anything than a flagship 800 series chip from Qualcomm, but the company actually went ahead and used even less powerful CPUs in the Snapdragon 600 and 400 series for the Nord N10 5G and N100. So they are now open to any SoC on the market, which has actually allowed OnePlus to make decent mid-range or even budget smartphones. The MediaTek Dimensity 1200 is built on a 6nm manufacturing process, so that in itself gives it an edge over any other mid-range SoC from Qualcomm or even Samsung for that matter. Also, it will have dual 5G with dual standby, something that Qualcomm hasn't adopted yet. But more importantly, the Dimensity 1200 uses the Cortex A78 cores from ARM, which are the latest and also used on the flagship Snapdragon 888. It uses a tri-cluster architecture like many of the flagship SoCs, with one Cortex A78 Ultra core that can go as high as 3 GHz, 3 Cortex A78 Super cores that can go up to 2.6 GHz, and 4 Cortex A55s with up to 2 GHz. It just misses out on the Cortex X1, but that you will find only on flagship SoCs, so performance for the most part should be comparable to the Snapdragon 888 or the Exynos 2100 and better than any other mid-range chip. Don't get too excited though, as this is exactly what we first heard for the original Nord. Early reports claimed that it would be powered by the Dimensity 1000, but later OnePlus went ahead with the Snapdragon 765G 5G CPU, so take this info with a grain of salt. That's pretty much everything that we know about the OnePlus Nord 2 as of now, so do tell me what changes would you like to see in the Nord 2. I would definitely prefer a better camera setup. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.